Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a 2015 BMW M5 in Estral Blue. Pretty decent spec on this one. Head-up display, it's got the bigger wheels as well. The nice 5 spokes. Black merino leather, sat-nav, the usual stuff like that, cruise. It's also got heated steering wheel and a sunroof. So this one, it's only had 4 owners from new. I think it's all, the service history so far is with main dealer BMW as well. And it was recently serviced as well. Less than 1,000 miles ago, and it's only had 4 owners from new, which is quite low on an M5, and I think it's just ticked over 87,000 miles. So starting off with the front end, very clean actually. Bear in mind this is 10 years old and done 87k. That is a really nice front end. Very light stone chip there, but other than that there's nothing really too drastic going on there. Actually pretty well kept. All looking pretty good so far. So if you're looking at one of these, you know what power they're putting out, I'm assuming. If you're not, there's plenty of YouTube videos you'll find. Exhaust notes, all sorts, but you can tune these quite high if that's what you're into. Private plate is included as well, by the way. Stays with the vehicle. Arguably, it's got to be one of the best colours for a BMW, surely. Such a well-known colour. I remember them personally back from the E36 M3, so you're talking, 96, probably, 97 models. Remember, I was at school back then, but yeah. So, yeah, standard peeling on the old diamond cut. So that is pretty much your exterior wrapped up, and to be fair, like I said, 10-year-old car, that's in good nick. That's in really nice condition. Okay. So I love this sort of dark wooden trim. Like, absolutely finishes it off. Leather's in pretty good nick as well, to be fair. It's such a, I find these a bit of a sleeper car because it's got the blinds as well. I think it must be on the back. Yeah, it's got a rear blind. Because I mean, they look great, but they don't look like anything ridiculous. Massive boot as well on the outside, so it's kind of like they're a bit more, I don't know what the word is, but if you didn't know what that, if you're not a car person and you just see some big wheels and you don't see the quad tailpipes, you wouldn't realise what kind of power this thing is putting out. And I quite like that sort of, that's quite cool, that sort of subtleness to it. It's just an executive fast saloon. Memory pack as well. There's a proper valet still, it's just come in. Right. Sounds lovely. It's an 87.2 just turned. You got your head-up display there. The M button, that happens. Sunroof. sensors, heated seats down there, and no, not that one. What am I doing? That was head-up display. Put that back on. You got your heated steering wheel down there. Nice little touch. I do like the heated steering wheel. Harman Kardon audio. Get that back on. I don't know what I'm listening to, but it is what it is. Give it a little rev for you. That's just 3,000 RPM. So guys, there you go. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you see, there'll be a link below directly in the description. Feel free to give us a shout. If you have any further questions, thanks for watching. Bye.